Hello everyone. Once again, welcome to my channel. Turkey is a transcontinental country which has suffered an earthquake recently with a magnitude of 7.8, which has led to around 5,000 people's death there. Syria, which is located in the southern part of Turkey, has also sustained such devastations. India has sent its NDRF team to Turkey for its aid Now, I shall today focus on the geography of Turkey. Which countries or what is located in north of Turkey, east of Turkey, west of Turkey and south of Turkey. I shall draw the map of Turkey. First of all, it is important to note that Turkey is a transcontinental country, which is major part of which is located in Asia, and a smaller part of Turkey, that is the Istanbul, is located in Europe. And so very few countries are transcontinental countries. For example, Russia is also a transcontinental country, which is located in Asia and Europe both. And the Asian part and the European part of Russia is separated by Ural Sea and the Caucasus mountain ranges. But today I shall focus more on Turkey. So first of all, I shall draw the European part of Turkey. This is, I shall mention some sea. This is Turkey, whose capital is Ankara. Ankara is located here. This is Asia, Asian part of Turkey. Turkey is located till here. This is Turkey, Asian part of Turkey, and here, this is Europe. Here Istanbul is located. Istanbul. European part of Turkey and Asian part of Turkey are separated by a strait. And the name of the strait is Bosphorus Strait. Bosphorus Strait. What is strait? Strait is a narrow passage of water body which connects two water bodies and separates two land bodies. So since it is a strait, Bosphorus Strait is a strait. So because of this, it implies that it must separate two water bodies. So here, Bosphorus Strait, must connect two water bodies. So Bosphorus Strait connects Black Sea in the north and the Sea of Marmara in the south. Sea of Marmara is a sea located in the Mediterranean Sea. It is a part of the Mediterranean Sea. Here, Mediterranean Sea of Europe is located. And in the south of Sea of Marmara, here Aegean Sea is located. Aegean Sea is surrounded on the west by Egypt and on the east by Turkey. And in the north part of the Aegean Sea, also Turkey is located. Here, also Egypt is located. Egypt bolna hai, sorry. Greece is located. This is Greece. In the west part of Aegean Sea, Greece is located, and in the northern part of Aegean Sea, Greece is located. And the capital of Greece is Athens. And now, in the back to the Asian part of Turkey, in the northeast of Turkey, a country is located whose name is Georgia, with the capital Jordan. With the capital Tbilisi. And in the south, in the eastern part of Turkey, Armenia is located, whose capital is Yerevan. And in the east of Armenia, Azerbaijan is located. This is Azerbaijan. The capital of Azerbaijan is Baku. Baku is a city which is a coastal city located on the bank of Caspian Sea. Means here Caspian Sea is located. Azerbaijan is a country which is divided into two parts. First part of Azerbaijan is located in the eastern part of Armenia, and the second part of Azerbaijan. First part of Azerbaijan is located in the eastern part of Armenia, and the second part is located in the southwestern part of Armenia. Here also Azerbaijan is located. So we can say that in the eastern part of Turkey, in the southeastern part of Turkey, Azerbaijan is located. So on the eastern front, Turkey borders with three countries, namely Georgia in the northeast, Armenia in the east, and Azerbaijan in the southeast. Now, when we look at Caspian Sea, then in the northeast part of Caspian Sea, several countries are located which were earlier part of USSR, Union of Soviet Socialist Republics, which disintegrated in the year 1991, and after that several countries with suffix tan were formed. For example, Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, etc. Now I shall also, and these are part of Central Asia. I shall also illustrate these countries also. In the northeast part of Turkey, a very large country. It was is located, which is called Kazakhstan. During Cold War times, after the end of the World War, until the disintegration of the USSR, Kazakhstan was part of USSR, and it was a great superpower. It was a great power after the Russia in the Soviet Republic. And the capital of Kazakhstan is Astana, which is located in the northeastern part of Kazakhstan. And in the southern part of Kazakhstan, 4 countries are located. in the southern part, this country, in the southwestern part of Kazakhstan, a country is located with the name Uzbekistan. Uzbekistan is a country where our Prime Minister, Mr. Lal Bahadur Shastri, had gone for treaty purpose, for signing a treaty, but unfortunately he died there. Capital of Uzbekistan is Tashkent. And in the south of Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan is located. And on the southeastern part of Kazakhstan, a country is located, Tajikistan. This is Tajikistan, and this is Kyrgyzstan. Capital of Tajikistan is Dushanbe. Capital of Kyrgyzstan is Bishkek. Now, in the northern part of Kazakhstan, Russia is located, and till here. And this region, here a mountain range is located which is called Caucasus Mountain Range. Caucasus Mountain Range, which separates Europe and Asia. And now, when we move to the European part of Turkey, then in the European part of Turkey, in the northern part of the European part of Turkey, a country is located which is known as Belarus. I shall also draw it. This is Turkey in the Europe, and in the north a country is located. This is called Belarus, with the capital Sofia. And the north of Belarus, Romania is located, and the capital of Romania is Bucharest. Both these countries are part of Balkan countries. Balkan countries is a group of countries located in the southeastern part of Europe. The Balkan countries include former Yugoslavia, Romania, and Belarus. After the disintegration of USSR, Yugoslavia was also disintegrated into various republics, and these republics are as follows. I shall draw these republics. In the northern part of the former Yugoslavia, Slovenia was there. After that, Croatia was located, and in the south of Croatia, Bosnia and Herzegovina was located. I shall draw these to illustrate it further. This is Greece. This is the extent of Greece. Now, I shall draw the former Yugoslavian republics. First of all, this here, Slovenia is located. In the south of Slovenia, this is Slovenia. or in the south of Slovenia, Croatia is there. This is Croatia. Now it surrounds this is Bosnia and Herzegovina, and in the south of Bosnia and Herzegovina, here, and this is Serbia. Here Kosovo is there. And this is fine. Yes. So these were the Yugoslavian republics. I shall name it one by one. First, in the northernmost part of Yugoslavia, a country called Slovenia is located. The capital of Slovenia is LJU BLJANA. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I will try. LJUBLAJANA, Ljubljana. So this is the pronunciation of this country. And in the southern part of Slovenia, Croatia is there with the capital Zagreb, Zagreb. And in the southern part of Croatia, a country is located which is called Bosnia and Herzegovina. This is Bosnia and Herzegovina. And the capital of Bosnia and Herzegovina is Sarajevo. Now, in the southern part of Bosnia and Herzegovina, Montenegro is there, and in the southeastern part, Serbia is there with the capital Belgrade. The capital of Serbia is Belgrade. And in the south of Serbia, Kosovo is located. And in the south of Kosovo, North Macedonia is located. And here, a country is located which is called Albania. And here, if we rub these names, Croatia, if you rub these names, then in the northern part of these Yugoslavian republics, in the western part of Yugoslavian republics, here Adriatic Sea is located, and in the east of which Italy is there, and in the north of Yugoslavian countries, two countries are located, which is called Hungary and Austria. Capital of Hungary is Budapest, and the capital of Austria is Vienna. And in the north of Hungary and Austria, Another country which was formerly called Czechoslovakia is located. During the USSR days, Czechoslovakia was part of the Eastern Bloc. It was part of USSR. But after the disintegration of USSR, Czechoslovakia was also split into two countries, Czech Republic and Slovakia. Here also, Slovakia, Czech Republic, Czech Republic, and Slovakia is there. And in the north of Black Sea, a country called Ukraine is located, with which Russia is having a war, and the capital of Ukraine is Kyiv. And in the northern part of Ukraine, Russia is located. In the south of Ukraine, an island is located here, and it forms a sea called Sea of Azov in the Black Sea. So this is all about we can also say that I can also draw more about Turkey. In the southern part of Turkey, in the south of Turkey, two countries are located also. First is Iraq, with the capital Baghdad. And in the southwest of Turkey, another country is located, which is called Syria, which has also suffered devastating earthquakes. And in the southeast of Syria, and the capital of Syria is Damascus. And in the southeast of Syria, in the southwest of Syria, that is here, a country is located that is called Lebanon. The capital of Lebanon is Beirut, P-E-I-R-U-T. Beirut. And in the south of Lebanon and Syria, two countries are located. First is Jordan and second is Israel. Here, Jordan is located. In the south of Syria, Jordan is located. And in the south of Lebanon, Israel, with the capital Jerusalem. Capital of Israel is Jerusalem, is located. And in the southeast of Syria, Jordan is located, and the capital of Jordan is Amman. A-M-M-A-N. And in the east of, and here in the south of Caspian Sea and in the east of Iraq, a major country and a foe of USA, Iran is located. Here. With the capital Tehran. And in south of Iran, Southwest Asia is located, with various countries such as Saudi Arabia, Yemen, Oman, UAE, Bahrain, Kuwait, etc. So this is all about the Turkey and its neighbors. So if you like the video, then kindly subscribe to the channel. And also, first of all, I have also remembered one thing, that in the south of Turkmenistan and Tajikistan, Iran goes, this is Iran, and in the south of Tajikistan, Afghanistan is located. And in the south of Afghanistan, Pakistan is there. And with the name of Pakistan, we can remember that in the east of Pakistan, India is located. So it implies that Tajikistan is very closely located with India, with a very narrow boundary of Afghanistan separating India and Tajikistan. So thank you, and if you like the video, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Thank you.